Epstein file chungchang velin internet alwa hnele lutuka rapper Nicki Minaj milar housinga Satanic Cult zoma Satan hne in thoi na kalpuyan om thu aron soi chwa piap piap te khan soizui a hlo tok lo riau maya tin hemi chungchang hi ron request in om nwal voknen video karon siam vele no ni e ole February ni khat khan Grammy award chu semani to a Nicki Minaj ero a inlan velo thungani kha answer dan chuan Nicki chuan Grammy an kalpui dan affair tok lo ti in na takina soi sela chu wangin Grammy a inlan thei tori lo tura ben ani an ti a tak tak ni mo chutia Nicki Minaj a inlan tak lova chuan Grammy a an host Trevor Noah chuan Nicki chu fiam thu tho nan takalo manga fiam thu mei nei an tiang chi kha ni helai muna hian Nicki Minaj a om velo tia bul chanin Nicki chu White House lama Donald Trump nen thupoi mo takan soi dun me kani ati a Grammy Award semna akal artist tamjok te hi chu Donald Trump do dal tu Donald Trump ho tu te de uvekan ni a artist zinga Trump supporter chu an dim vaklawani mel fiam thu tho na na manginan ngei om khum viau china ni
Nicki Minaj is not here. She is not here. She is still at the White House with Donald Trump discussing very important issues.
Host Trevor Noah chuanin Nicki mai nilavin US President Donald Trump po apertel boka Donald Trump an Greenland adu ang tluk zetin artist zongzong hian Grammy hi an du vevek ati a Epstein file Donald Trump ming lo lang tel ve zeu po Donald Trump perna na mang boka Epstein Island na omtak silawa chuan Bill Clinton ne na hun an mandun na tur mun thar amamo wangani ati deu care bokani.
That is a Grammy that every artist wants, almost as much as Trump wants Greenland, which makes sense. I mean, because Epstein's island is gone, he needs a new one to hang out with Bill Clinton. So
Tada chuan host Trevor Noah chuan aladu tok mai lova an mong mangin Nicki le Donald Trump te chu fiam thu tho nan ala mang le zela Donald Trump atong dan zir pa in diktak chuan Nicki kamong hi alian ber midangin imong alen ber thu soi mahse kata hi alian jok ti zongin ngei om takin host chuan fiam thu tho nan a mangani mi puilam po an lo nui na sa hle a host Trevor Noah po in tifu in ti mel viao
issues. Actually, Nicki, I have the biggest ass. I have it. Everybody's saying it, Nicki. I know they say it's you, but it's me. Wap, wap, wap. Look at it. Look.
Mahse in lamachagin Nicki Minaj chuanin Grammy Award chu alaw enve kar ni turani dar kar ni novela chuan Nicki Minaj in natakin aron changlet veta a Donald Trump po in ayan liam may law Donald Trump hay chuanin Trevor Noah la ka dan mangin achidon ti aron soi to boka Trevor Noah chu mishing khongai thak talen nei boxi law ti in natakin aron soi we bokani tin host Trevor Noah in Epstein Island a soi chungchang po ron soi fiatel bokin Noah khan ka chungchang thila soi diklaw tlat Donald Trump le Bill Clinton te Epstein Island a hunan mangdun ti kha thudik law hulhuala ni ti in Donald Trump chuan asoya Bill Clinton chu ka soi theilawa mahse ke hi chu Epstein Island a emo a che vela ringot po kalakal lawa Noah milak tlak law khan a thulak na chiang ro se aron tile de veta sia bokani
Mr. President, are you going to sue Trevor Noah? Last night in a post, you alluded that something could be coming.
Yeah, well, he said that I spent time on Jeffrey Epstein's island. I didn't. I mean, he's a lightweight. This guy, he's a terrible. I think he's terrible. I thought he did a terrible job at the Grammys. I thought the whole Grammys was terrible. I watched part of it. It's not watchable, but he was a lousy host. I'd say not as bad as Jimmy Kimmel, but pretty close.
Host Trevor Noah chong tamluata milardang po in sel zuyen lo pa Nicki Minaj thinrimin sum thei to lo chuan in milar nga isan le du ber te khan satanic ritual an kalpui chin aron ti veta sia maya sitena hna in thoina in hlanna an nei chin tu aron soi chua kani mahse Satanic Cult chungchang vela soila hi chuan Nicki Minaj hian milar ming mimal ang zonga han soi big anei chuang lova artist te chaupo ani kherlo theibok mahse ama na aron soidan tak kha chuan in milar nga isan le du te tin aron soya artistic han aron soi deu kher boka mahse hemi chungchang hi chu tun ma chang to a conspiracy theorist te po in an lo soi ve fau to ani a milarte a po lar fal tak khovel pumhap ang zonga lar sang taka sang taka thlengte hau mitam takina an lo ngai san ve theu hi hetyang din munan thlen the nan hianin an talen ba ka rim taka an tho ba ka arukin sitan he na an lo in hlan wang ani ti zongin an lo soi ve photo chin nang ni pon het yang hi chu in ngai thla photo in arin om mase ti hian Epstein file te aron chhuak ka Nicki Minaj nge po in ti hian satanic chungchang vel aron soi ve ta pok nen Siten an he na an tharawan shal chin tia an lo soi ve fo chin te chu adik nge ani ti an ron nem nget ta chi ani ti nan soi ani tin milar housinga hei chu satanic ani shimshimang ti thei tur milar chu tamviau thoma se hetianga Nicki Minaj angang yal ngan takaron soi chuak de ufak ngam ero milar zinga henan tam lo le a rappers hawin an hla chamtel fo chin ma se milar zinga Satanic Cult tel ve an tam chungchang ron soi phong ngam ero an tlem hle ani Nicki Minaj chuanin tun ma Twitter kan ti chin tun hnuhnawh x dia kan soi ta ka hian in artist ngai san le du de khan sitan hne na in thoina an nei chin ramdanga chingin note an laluta an thata an pathian hne na chung note thi sen mang chuan an in thoi chin in master chu sitana ani chuan thi sen in chu angai mi awani ati chumi comment section lama chuan tu milar nge asoi an zot na savya maya Billie Eilish emni Lady Gaga emni Justin Bieber telve em ti anti a mitam tak chuan Bad Bunny te po asoi chanan ring bokani an ming ron soi chuak mak turin Nicki Minaj chu an turbok Nicki Minaj chuanin thudang po aron soi bel theu boka pathian chu engtiknia emo chuan an hne na ala in lar ve anga pathian hi elsen chi ani lova fiam thu thona na man tur ani lo ati a tin Nicki chuanin mi te ma mi phata piang kapa wana mi ma ka phat ve ang ti Bible thu kha aron thur chuak bokani Nicki Minaj chuanin Grammy Award ama fiam thu thona na lo mang tu ber host Trevor Noah po mimal takin aron perlet ve thawa Trevor Noah chuanin ami patpui anga izon mek chungchang velaron soya fans te tivir tok lekin thilaron soini tin Nicki Minaj chuan milarten an lar theinan le sang taka an om theinan an tharau an shal chungchang bokron soitel la in artist te chau a soi bik to lo ni na langa he chu Epstein file chungchang nen po anga ibel thei mai thei Nicki Minaj chuanin thunei na sang tak nei an du awangin no pangpoi soilo te mangin in thoina an neya Democrats how in lo la vote in lo la than reng ani chuan an mani ang thawa tharau kong bo ve thawin ni ti na ni mai ati a ka thil sha tam tak te hi soi chwa lo ka tum ve na sa masemin buli an top san chuang lo aron ti de upmak bokani Nicki Minaj chuan mimal ang zong chuan Lizzo le Chrissy Teigen te aron soya Chrissy Teigen hi chu host Trevor Noah in Nicki Minaj fiam tu thona na aman lai khan host nunga khana lo chua camera khana la chiang maya Nicki Minaj chungchang vel fiam tu thona na aman lai khanin Chrissy Teigen hi alo over file le peka alo nge om file le peka thumbs up te alo pe a helai hmuna hian Nicki a om ve lo ati lai phe kha chuan nuam lo ti mel via vadi chu wangin Nicki tan chon ange om ve de hlek mai thei chu wang chuan Nicki hianin mimal takin aron beile te poni mai thei ni
Every single person we have John Legend, Billie Eilish, Phineas, Nicki Minaj is not here. She is not here. She is still at the White House with Donald Trump discussing very important issues.
Actually, Nicki, I have the biggest ass. I have it. Everybody's saying it, Nicki. I know they say it's you, but it's me. Wop, wop, wop. Look at it. Look at it, baby.
Jennifer Hudson is in the house.
tin milar ho po hi alang lo rama hian alo in rel venasa chin len in alanga neu hi an nga ve chin khop mai aling kar chha emokan lo ti te po nge om deuh dewin ti hian aron in kable sak zelani tin Nicki Minaj chuanin Donald Trump thlawang aron hauna ve hle boka miten na takin social chin ma se beiron chin ma se Christian te thlawang na taka haungam tu Donald Trump chu a support lo pha don chuang lo aron ti a an social na anasat paule a chantel tel zo karon ti chutiang chia chuan ama po mi nan be na sat paule chu mi ten ama an huat na chu ama chel tura in fui tharnan a mang zo ka chu mi te chuan ama an ti chhelen theilo tin Nicki Minaj chuan soi Trump a support zia alan tira wangin hotu le beitu anga hle maya amilar puita zinga po ngai theilo tu an tam ruviaw ni ina langani ole clear tu te tun chumatan chuan khati zong kha hani le phot mai se indu ang te comment section lama in lo soi ve anga video ka post le tu te min lo ngai chan sak le chau don nya